Welcome to this quick guide on how to browse your Instagram highlights on a PC with the latest updates. If you're looking to easily access and enjoy your favorite highlights, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Simply type in the URL or search for Instagram and log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your feed. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where you can see all your posts and stories. Now, look just under your bio section. Here, you will find the highlights that you've previously created. These highlights are a great way to showcase your best stories and moments in an organized manner. To browse your highlight, simply click on any of the circular icons that represent each highlight. This will open up a collection of stories that you've saved under that particular highlight. You can scroll through these stories, reliving those moments as if you were viewing them on your mobile device. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to browse your Instagram highlights on a PC. With these simple steps, accessing your favorite memories has never been easier. Whether you're looking to revisit past adventures or share them with friends, Instagram highlights are a fantastic feature that keeps your stories alive. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to explore all the features Instagram has to offer and make the most out of your social media experience. Happy browsing!